Whoa, what's up everyone, my name is Abhishek, you are watching Excel World, let's get started. Welcome back guys, today I'm going to show you something really different that will help you if you are in stock market. So before starting my video, I just want you to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss my video. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an professional portfolio tracker. I know some of you may think about this, that why I'm not showing that on Excel, because in Excel we have an option called stock that is available in 2019 version of Excel. I used it but it didn't work properly for me, so I personally use Google Sheet because it is more convenient and easy to use. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So firstly, we will change the name of the sheet. We will type portfolio tracker and press enter, and you can see the sheet name is changed now. After that, we have to write the company name as a word title, because company name is one of the main thing in stock market portfolio. So I just type company's name. Let's type here apostrophe s and press enter and just drag this to here. So now we got our company's name, and then we will type ticker. So this is the symbol or the short form of the company, and press enter. And now we need few more things as our title. So for example, we need current price of the stock, we need how much price it changed in one day, we need total value, and the rest I will fill in just 1 second. So I have write almost everything that we need for beginners. If you are advanced, you can write so many things like today high, today low. So I just write 52-week high, 52-week low, volume, market capitalization, and total gain and loss. So I just change this from total value to today's gain and loss. So the change for the today represent how much you gain in one day or loss in one day. So let's go with one example. So for example, I will use an example of Walmart. So I will type the company's name, Walmart here, and then we have to type the short form of the ticker symbol that represent Walmart Corporation. So the ticker symbol for Walmart is WMT, that should be capital, and then this is a ticker symbol. And then for the current price, we simply have to type a single formula, that is firstly type equal to, then type Google Finance. So the first one is Google Finance, double click that, click on the ticker symbol, close brackets, and then press enter. And you can see the current price of the Walmart stock is representing here. Now let's go with one more example. Let's select Facebook, which is very popular. So Facebook, so the ticker symbol for the Facebook is FB. I will just go with capital F here, and then the same formula applies here, but this time I will simply drag this to that, and you can see the Facebook current price is now here. So for example, let's go with Air Canada, that is a Canadian stock. So for this, the Walmart and the Facebook are the US stock, so we simply have to type the WMT and FP. But for Canadian stock, you have to type some more things. So for this, we have to type TSC, that is Toronto Stock Exchange, double comma, then AC. So if you are unable to find the ticker symbol, you just simply have to type Google Finance on the Google, and then you can type any company's name and they will show you the ticker symbol. And for this we just simply drag this down, and you can see we got the stock price of Air Canada also. Let me just fill some more companies name here so that we will go with the more data. So I think that should be enough. So I just write 10 companies name with their ticker symbol and current price. Let's change the format of the headings. Let's go with bold and italic so that we will differentiate between the titles and the company's name. And now let's go with the change. So change represent the change in price in one day. So for this, the same formula, Google Finance, and then click on the ticker symbol. Then this time you have to put a comma here and start double quotation and simply type change in small letters, double quotation close brackets, and press enter. And you can see the change in prices here. So the Walmart price is changed by 63 cents, that is negative. Just simply drag this down and you can see we got our changes in price. So you can see the GameStop is $20 high on today's date. So this is a change. So the next is total gain and loss. So we just simply have to leave this for some time and then just move forward for share held. So share held is how much share you bought for all of these company. So let's see, I bought 3 shares of Walmart, 2 shares of Facebook, 5 is enough, 2, 5, 10, 15, 6, and for this I will go with 20. So this is the amount of share that you held and the buy price. So this is also a very main thing, how much money you gave to that company to get the shares of that company. So this is the buy price at which you bought the shares. So suppose we purchased the Walmart share at the cost of 136.20 and Facebook 320.16, and for Air Canada let's go with $21, and for Tesla let's say 550.32, and for Netflix let's go with 500. For GameStop let's say 30 and for Suncor let's go with 18, and for Bank of America let's go with 40, and for Scotiabank let's go with 85, and for RioCan let's go with 14.26, just random numbers. So this is the buy price at which you bought the share, and the next two option is current value and the buy value. So I will make a change here. I will get this column down to where my current price is. So that is current price and current value, buy price and buy value. So for buy value it's a simple formula, just type equal to amount of shares that you held times the buy price. So this is the amount that you give. So this is asking autofill. I will click tick and that will autofill my all the cells. So this is the buy price and the buy value that you give to the company to bought some shares of that company. And now for today gain or loss, you simply have to type a simple formula that is equal to number of share held time the change in price of that day. So this will give you how much you gain or loss in a single day in the particular stock. So for example in this Example, in Walmart I lost $1.89 in one day. Then just autofill options. Then you can see I gain $103 in GameStop in one day. And for current value, it's also a very simple formula, equal to number of share held time the current price of the stock. Type, press just enter, and then go with drag down, and you can get your numbers here. This is how you got your interface done within just seconds. So you can see now we are in a good shape. And for total gain and loss, this is a simple formula of subtraction that we have to subtract the current value minus buy value. Press Ctrl plus enter. Oops, sorry. Then simply drag that down, and we got our total gain and loss. And for market capitalization, there is simple formula, that is Google Finance. So Google Finance is the main thing. So if you have any confusion, just go on the formula bar, click on Google Finance, and you got a question mark here, click that, then learn more, and you got a help box open on the right hand side. So if you have any confusion, you simply have to type Google Finance, and if you need anything like you want the today's high price, so simply go with high. Just start double quotation and type high, close double quotation. So everything is simple in Google Sheet. So let's complete our formula here. Click on ticker symbol, comma, double quotation start. For market capitalization, we have to type market cap and close double quotation, close brackets, press enter. You got your number, and then drag that down, and you got your numbers. But I don't like the format of the number, so let's change the number here. So more format, number, and let's decrease to 0 decimal places, increase the column, and that is same for volume, for everything. So the formula is same, but what you want will be changed. So for example, if you want market cap, you have to type market cap. If you want volume, you have to type volume. So this is how you can make your portfolio tracker, and I will just fill the numbers and see you in just 1 second. So now you can see I fill almost everything here, and then we have to make one new row here, that is total. Let's change the format of this, go with bold, and let's go with 24. So I want total of my current value here equal to sum all these, press enter. Then for the buy value, equal to sum and press enter. And for total gain, go with sum and press enter. And after that, I don't think so, we have to go, let's go with today's gain also, sum, yes. So I just simply go with all these, click on this, click format here, is the same format here, click again this. So this is how you can change the format of the cell, and go with auto fit here, this, and that's it. Let's change the font size of the titles. Let's go with 40. Yep, that's good. Select all the columns here, then just auto fit all the columns. And after that, I will go with border. So let's select the range here, let's select from here to here and go with border, outline border, and for total let's go with outline border as well. And now I want my numbers that are in negative to be red and the positive that to be in green. So for that I have to choose conditional formatting. So firstly we will select the range. So for example, for today's gain and loss, select the range, go on format, conditional formatting, and you can see here format cell if the text contain or the text is, let's see, greater than or equal to, the value should be 0. So if the value is greater than or equal to 0, that will be considered as green, and you can select the green from here. This is green, then done. And add another rule: if the text contains less than or equal to 0, then it should be in red. Done. And you can see here I got my number here. So these are the negatives and these are the positives. So you can apply this to all the negatives and positive values. For example, you can also apply this on change here. Let me just go with that and see you in just 1 second. So you can see I have done quite a few things. I just change the colors, I just copy the format from here to all the way here, and just change the company's name format, and you can also change the ticker symbol to bold. So formatting is up to you, whatever you want, whatever you like. So this depends upon you. If you want a second part of this video, I will cover about the dividends. So if you want that, please comment that in the comment section. And if you like the comment, hit the subscribe button and see you in next video.